It's heavy, whatever it is. That is not a stick. Oh my God, that's not a stick at all. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Oh my Lord, holy moly. Wow, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing. Get back.
Now, when you're playing with lines, it's important to never show fear. Hey. 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 Hey.
Mewę, no, zjadł mewę. Tam leży, widzisz?
I promise I'm not gonna bug you. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. Oh, you. Oh, oh. Ah! No! Get the away! Go away! Go away! No! No! You, dude! Holy... Yeah, get the away from me! Face! I'm not gonna. Come on, keep kicking him.
Oh, I'm so glad I was recording that!
He could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking down the trail and Mom and 2 cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards. And Mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Teraz płynie po giereczki.